All right, well, that right there, that stack that's the toilet. I came down here to see if there was a clean out. This is a huge crawl space. I think you can sit up straight in here, so I wouldn't really have an issue coming down here to snake a line. But I don't see any clean out access points. I've done this before. You have to snake it from the roof vent. All right, so this actually didn't work. So last thing to do is pump that turd-filled toilet out, snake it from there. So the snake wants to go up the vent, so you gotta cut out the plumbing underneath and replace it. There's literally nothing else we can do. There you have it. All right. Okay, so we're gonna come off of the stack with a 45 and then wire it like that. And then, yeah, that'll work well. All right, folks, we're done. Heavy duty no hub band, street, piece of pipe to a Y. That is the vent and clean out. And then you got the lav and shower right here to a combi. And then 222 streets into a no hub band, and then the rest was already there. Plenty of pitch on this, more than enough. More than enough. Not gonna lie, that was not easy. So now I just gotta backfill, support this thing, and there's the old cast iron. All right. And there's the finished product. We even used some Fabuloso just to make it smell pretty.